Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Here we make programming simple and fun. Whether you're just starting or already coding, you will find easy tutorials, clear explanation, and real projects to help you grow as a programmer. Subscribe and join me on this journey to learn, build, and code the future together. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last video we wrote our first C++ program and printed hello world. Today we're going to learn one of the most important concepts in programming, variables. So what is a variable? A variable is like a container or a box that stores data in your computer's memory. You can put something inside it, change it later, or use it in calculation. Think of it like this. You have a box with a label. Let's say the label is age, and inside that box you store the number 20. So, let's create this program. We need to add a new file named variables. Variables. C++. We write include IUS string using namespace std int main. Here we create a variable of type int and we name it age. Age, let's put age equal to 20. See out, my age is, and we put here age EMDL. Return 0. Let's save our file and build it and run it. So let's see what we'll display. Okay, it's take time. Okay, my age is 20. Okay, let's add years old. Years old. And we save and rerun our code. Here it should display my age is 20 years old. Here we need to make space between years old and age. Let's save and run the code. CDC users B1 Drive desktop first C++ program. My age is 20 years old. Let's explain you the program. Let's understand the code. Int age equal to 20. Here, int means integer and a data type used for whole numbers. To store whole numbers, we use a data type named int. Age is the variable name, and 20 is the value stored inside it. So this line tells the computer, create a box named age and put the number 20 inside it. Then we use my age is 20 years old. This will print my age is 20 years old. So let's change the value and reprint my age is. So let's change it to 25. See out, my age My age is age years old. ENDL. Let's show what it display. It should display 25, not 20. Because we changed the value. Wait, my age it's display. The first, my age is 20 years old and my age is 25 years old. Here the program will run line by line. First, the compiler reads age is equal to 20 and he prints the age after he read age equal to 25 and he run my age is 25 years old. And here we finish our program. In C++, every variable must have data type which tell the computer what kind of data is stored. Here's a few examples. Int for integer. We write int for integer. Let's use a comment. We will discuss how to write comments in the next video. Int for integer. Float, double, float for decimal number. Double also for decimal number. Also for decimal. Char for single character. And string for words or text. And bool, we finish with bool, means for true or false. So that's the basics of variable in C++. You will learn how to declare. You learned how to declare, store, and change values. In the next video, we will learn how to write comments and get input from the user and use it with variables. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep coding. See you next time.